In this quick guide, I'll show you how to edit a Smartsheet and manage your projects more efficiently. Once you log in at smartsheet.com, head to your Home or Browse tab and open the sheet you want to work on. Editing is simple. Click any cell and start typing. If the sheet includes drop-downs, dates, or checkboxes, you can select options directly, making updates clean and consistent. If you need deeper changes, right-click any column header and choose Edit Column Properties. Here you can rename columns, change column types, or update drop-down choices. Managing rows works the same way. Right-click a row number to insert or delete a row depending on what your sheet needs. You can also insert or delete columns the same way by right-clicking the header. To organize tasks, use the indent and outdent buttons in the toolbar to create subtasks. If you want to attach files or add notes, just click the paperclip or comment icon on the roll. For even smoother workflows, use the Automation tab to edit or create rules that handle repetitive tasks for you. The best part is that Smartsheet auto-saves as you work, so you never have to worry about losing changes. And that's it! A fast and simple way to edit your Smartsheet and keep your projects fully organized.